Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this short video I will show you how to download and set up Python on your local machine and how to run Python program using VS Code. So without further ado, let's get started. So to download Python you need to go to their official website. As you can see, I search the portal here, then click on the first link, go to their portal and select the version you want to download. Here is the latest version 3.13.1. so let me get this one. Click the download. As you can see now, it's downloading here, so let it finish, then I'll show you how to install it on your machine. Then after it finish, click on it, open it, then double click on it, yeah, it's open now. So as you can see now, it gives two options: install now or customize installation. So let me try the customize one. Before that, click on this add Python to path, because if you didn't click this one, it will not going to add the path to the environment variable of your machine, so that the computer could be able to notify that Python is being installed on this machine. So click the customize installation. As you can see now, it mark all the required for the Python to be installed. So let's click next. Then as you can see now, just keep anything as it is, then press install. As you can see now, the Python is installing, so let's wait a bit to complete. Even before I install this, I have to show you something. As you can see now, if I open my terminal, if I check whether the machine has Python or not, let's say Python -- version. See, as you can see now, it said Python was not found on this machine. So let's finish the installation and try again. Yeah, as you can see now, the setup successfully completed. So let's just close it here and open your terminal again to check whether the Python is installed or not. Let's check Python -- version. Click enter. As you can see now, it shows that the Python is being installed. So you can even go to the Python environment by typing Python and click enter. As you can see now, is if I said print hello, I press enter. As you can see now, if I say 2 + 4, press enter, it gets 6. So as you can see now, Python is already installed in my machine. This is the procedure you follow also to install Python on your machine. So let me go to the VS Code and test this the Python on it. Let me open new folder and say Python here. Then I'm able to open it using VS Code. Just to say open with VS Code. As you can see now, it's open. So let me just create one file here, app dot you can just press trust if you trust the folder. I can say app.py, the extension of Python. Then I can say hello world. I can save it. Then I have to open terminal using Ctrl tilde, the keyboard beside your one keyboard. So I can just say app dot, I can just say app dot py, like this, app.py. So before I click, I have to come here and say Python. Like this. Then if I click enter, as you can see now it says hello world. So this is just the procedure to install Python on your machine, and you can be able to keep running Python program on your local machine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.